We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making a delicious pasta salad, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Here I'm using like 3 pounds of this thin spaghetti. It all depends on how much you're going to make. I break mine into smaller pieces. I may break it maybe like twice. And it all depends on the size you want yours. So follow the instructions on your package. We don't want them sticking. Rinse them off really, really well with cool water. These are some of the ingredients that we're starting off with. We have some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and some Cajun seasoning. I usually use the fajita seasoning, but I didn't have any. If you don't have any of the Cajun or the fajita seasoning, use just the onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt, and it will taste just fine. Here we are cutting up our chicken tenders. You can use any type of chicken breast that you prefer, but this is what I'm using with mine. What you do, just cut these up into smaller pieces, and sometimes you may run into the little tendon things, little white tendons. Just remove those. Here in our large cast iron skillet, we are melting our butter. Melt your butter on a very low heat so that your butter won't burn. Here we're preparing our chicken. We're adding some Cajun seasoning, onion powder, black pepper, and garlic powder. Make sure to mix your seasonings in well and then add your chicken to your skillet. And we're going to saute our chicken until it gets fully cooked. One way you can tell when your chicken gets fully cooked, you get a larger piece of the chicken, cut through it to see if there's any pink. If there's pink, that means your chicken isn't fully cooked. One good way to making sure that your chicken is fully cooked is to add a lid and let it steam and saute for a while and then check it. And then you're good to go. Okay, this is what we're looking for. I checked out a piece, I tasted, and it is fully cooked. Here we're slicing up our English cucumber. This is the cucumber that you will find in your produce section that's wrapped in some type of plastic wrap. Here we're cutting the ends off. We're cutting our cucumber in half. Cut it again in half. And again in half. What I'm doing, I'm getting these cucumbers down to the size that I want mine. But it's all up to you. If you want your larger size cucumbers, you keep them as large as you want them to be. But I want mine smaller, so that's what I'm doing. Here I'm just slicing them up until the size that I want. Here I'm cutting off the seeds. And so now I'm dicing them up. Okay, with our tomatoes, I'm cutting them in half. I'm using a spoon to remove the seeds. Make sure all the seeds are removed. Slice them and then dice them. Here we're cutting the roots from our green onions. And now we're dicing them up. I'm going to finish dicing up these green onions and I'm going to be right back. Okay, our pasta is ready. Like I said, make sure you rinse this pasta off with cool water. Okay, now we're adding in our vegetables. And we're stirring them around we're trying to even them out. It's kind of hard to, but do the best as you can. Try to distribute them all through the pasta. Here we're adding in our meat and letting y'all know I do have some other meat here that I bought that was already cooked, and it has the grill marks on them. You can purchase this, in your frozen section of your grocery store, and you can have your chicken already ready. And another thing, you can also use shrimp instead of the chicken. Make this recipe yours. I do have a video with me making the shrimp pasta salad. So you can go and type in Miss Brenda D shrimp pasta salad and you'll be able to get that video as well. I'm distributing our meat all around. I wanted to make sure I had plenty of meat. I sauteed my own and then I bought some as well. Okay, just mix it in as best as you can. Here we're adding in our Caesar dressing. I'm using this brand, but there are so many other brands that you can use. I found out that the best you can use is in your produce section over by the salad items, and you can purchase. They got all types of Caesar dressing that you can use that's cold. But I didn't use that because it can get very expensive. I'm adding in my Caesar dressing and I'm going to mix it up well. You mix this up and because we want the dressing all within our pasta salad. This is what makes the pasta salad, the dressing. And so I'm going to just continue to mix this as best as I can, and then I'm going to taste. And I found out I did need to use a little more salt in it. I use a lot of black pepper, y'all. Yes, a very lot of black pepper, but it's all up to you. I'm going to finish mixing this up, and I'm going to be back with the final result. Then y'all know I'm taking this to a event at our church, and so I won't be able to, show y'all the end result. But I am going to show y'all how I am placing it in some pans and taking it to the church. So I'm going to be back as soon as I get finished mixing up our salad. Okay, y'all, we are back. These are the aluminum pans that I'm going to place our salad in. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as I always enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome. Welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. A word of encouragement. When you're out and about or even at work, give someone a smile. It will help benefit you and the other person as well. Y'all be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit.